Hi, this is Master Ken. Now, with the new implementations of 1500, we see the impact in the SME and even the large company. So here we fictitiously have 4 staff, but many companies have 20 staff, and the change, the quantum can be very, very significant. But how significant is that? So here we have 4 salary and we have the EPF in this, and that's all incentive and OT. And according to KWSP, that um, only the incentive is calculated, OT is not included. Now we excluded, for simple to understand, we excluded the SOCSO, the HRD Corp, the EIS, and we only have this. We look at the big ones, and then the actual payout for the employer side is this amount. Although the employee will receive this amount plus this amount and this, and then minus the EPF side of the employee side. We'll just look at from the employer point of view, how does it impact? So we calculate the differences, and then we have the new adjusted salary. Now the EPF is based on the new adjusted salary, and that is the change of from 138 it goes to 162. For 199 it goes to 234, and the new actual pay by the employer side is 2534, and this is 2233. Now if we total up the entire staff here, that will increase by this amount. Well, just exactly how much? Well, the impact is in terms of percentage is this, but if you want to, we always want to look at impact in two ideas. Is that maybe I'll just go to here, click on this value minus this value here, and we get 740 and 29 27, and then the the percentage change is this. Okay, so that's the impact. Now, what if, just what if, right? We don't know when is it that government will actually says that will actually say, I want to increase to for any reasons, right? They are increased to 1,800. That's 11.3%, and that means that you either can increase the price of your goods and product, or um, you need to find cut other things, right? So maybe is that well, in that case, that maybe there will be no incentive. There will be 12, and well, still even no intensive, and there is, but there's OT, and so eventually that will lead to a skyrockets increase of price goods and services in Malaysia. So it's very difficult time for all of us. I hope this helped to explain to your management how this really impacts the company. Is and maybe you want to get ready with 1,800 or maybe 2,000, and some says that the knowledge workers, but I think that one's already done. So if it's 2,000, it's like this. So 11.3%. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless us. God bless Asia.